So how many people are using My Audacity macros? It is difficult to find that information on the Buy Me a Coffee page. All it shows is the total number of supporters, which is 17 at the moment. This number includes those who have bought membership or macros or donated one time. If it showed how many people are using a product, I think it would be to decide who has not purchased it yet. I give a special discount to the members on all my products. Currently, I have only one member who is contributing monthly. If you like the videos on my YouTube channel, I encourage you to become a supporter. I can show you from my dashboard how many people are using my Audacity macros. 6 people are using my EQs and macro pack. One-Click Amazing Voice is low priced but has only one macro. So far, one person is using it. EQs and macro pack have 7 macros for $17, so people are more interested in that. The improved sound macro pack was the previous offer with 2 macros and 6 people using it. In total, I have 17 people using my product who are using Windows, Mac, and Linux. If you are interested, I have links to these products and YouTube demos of how they work.